Hello my loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me, your girl Harriet, and today I'm back with another video. So in today's video, honey, child, come in here, get in here, ladies, get in here, because today I'm spilling some tea. I'm spilling some tea. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I do my natural bushy eyebrow. It's not going to be too dark. It's just going to be a simple eyebrow tutorial. So if you're new here, welcome to the family. Please join the family by clicking on that subscribe button and also clicking on the bell button that is next to the subscribe button. You'll be notified of all the videos that I upload, and welcome to the family. If you're a regular, thank you so much for your support. Thank you so much for coming back. I really appreciate it. You guys have no idea how much I celebrate you guys. Also celebrate my new subscribers. It means we are growing. So let's grow guys. Make our family big. And I hope you will enjoy. Let's have some fun creating this. It's just gonna be very simple and easy, and let's get right into it. Period. Okay my loves, so let's get into the things that you will need for this updated eyebrow routine. So firstly, I'm gonna use this Avon Care white soap. Let me just open it. It looks like this. You can use any normal white soap or any clear soap. It works as well, but just try to avoid using black or any of these other different soap colors. I prefer white or clear. So I'm going to use this Avon soap. This one, it's what I'm going to use as well, and a brown pencil. Let me just grab my brown pencil real quick, and then I'm going to use my brown pencil. It's a Chinese pencil, guys. Any brown pencil works. So I've got my spoolie, soap, and brown pencil. The lighting is changing, guys. I'm using natural lighting, so you know how it is when it gets cloudy. The sun goes back into the clouds when it comes out. You know, lighting changes. But what I'm going to do is, so I'm going to take my Avon soap. I'm just going to place it in here. You can even hold it with your hands. It doesn't matter. It's the same thing. So I'm just going to take it, and then I'm going to use water, just normal water. But in this video, I'm just going to use my Garnier Pure Active Skincare Micellar water. So I'm going to use this, but you can use normal water. Tap water is fine, because I just want to like put a drop and moisturize the soap so that I'm able to scoop out part of the soap. So I'm just going to put a drop like that. That's enough. I'm sure that should be enough. So, and then next up, I'm just going to grab my spoolie, and then I'm just going to scrub, or I don't know, just taking some soap on it. So this is the soap that I managed to get from the soap bar, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to simply brush my eyebrows with the spoolie and the soap, and then we see how it goes. So I'm just going to brush my eyebrows upwards like that, with the soap and the spoolie as well. So let's just brush our eyebrows like that on both sides as well. Make sure part of the soap is also going on your eyebrows. I'm just going to moisturize. No, I don't mean moisturize. I mean like add more water so that I'm able to grab more soap. So I want you guys to see. Just not too much. And then scrub, get some soap, and brush upwards. So you need to feel the wetness on your eyebrows as well, like that. And then take some more. Take some more on your spoolie, like so. and then brush upwards as well. So what it's going to do is it's just going to dry on your eyebrows. That's what it's going to do, and it's not going to leave those white marks, so don't worry about that. I don't have a lot of eyebrows, so they are bushy, but they are not too much, so I will need to like modify and do the most. So just simply brush your eyebrows upwards, and believe you me, your eyebrows are not going to go anywhere. They're not going to move. They are not going to go anywhere really. And make sure they're in the correct position that you want them to be, because they're going to stay like that the whole day. So I like to keep my eyebrows upwards because I'm creating a bushy eyebrow. So this is how I want it to look. Okay, and then now afterwards I'm just going to grab my pencil. It's a brown pencil, and then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to draw the bottom part of my eyebrows. That's what I'm going to do in the shape that I want, also following the eyebrow hairs. So I'm just going to draw the bottom part only. That's what I'm going to do. Okay, looks like here it didn't sit well. Okay, so I'm just going to draw my eyebrow, just drawing the bottom part only, and then I'm going to draw the other side as well. Following the root of my eyebrow hairs. And just always remember, I always say this in my videos, guys, your eyebrows will never be twins. They can only be sisters. Try by all means to make them sisters. Okay, so we've drawn the bottom part of our eyebrows, but now the thing is my eyebrows have gaps in them. So what I'm going to do is, because I don't want those gaps to show, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go in the eyebrow, and then I'm just going to fill in the gaps with just simple eyebrow strokes, just like that. Just single strokes to close the gaps. So that's what I'm doing. Just that. Okay, and then I'm just going to do that on the other side as well. I'm just going to fill in the gaps. Like mostly on the tail of my eyebrow, there are so many gaps. So I'm trying to close those gaps because it shows my skin mostly. And there we go. Now we have like a decent eyebrow. I'm just going to take my Lagirl Pro Concealer. It's the same one that we use every single time. So I'm just going to use this. Lagirl Pro Concealer, and this is also in the shade medium beige. I always use medium beige for my concealers. I prefer using that. So I prefer your concealer to be 2 shades lighter than your foundation, or 1 shade lighter than your foundation. I'm going to use this brush to clean up my eyebrows. So now I'm just going to take my Lagirl Pro Concealer, and then all I'm going to do is I'm going to squeeze it onto my hand as usual. So I'm just going to squeeze it onto my hand, and then I'm just going to clean up my eyebrows with that. Grab some product from it, and then I'm going to clean my eyebrow. So I'm going to start with this side. So I prefer starting at the cave, at the curve of my eyebrow, or at my brow bone, cleaning it, and then going towards the beginning. Like so. So you just follow the shape that you created. and clean up any messes that you made. You can do that with the concealer. And then after you're done, just bring it down towards your eyelids, because you're going to put on some eyeshadow, and just clean it up. If you're not going to apply any eyeshadow, just blend everything. Make sure it's properly blended. You're not seeing any harsh lines of concealer, and continue with the rest of your makeup. So at this point, I believe that my eyebrow is now clean. I'm just going to start working on the other one as well. So I'm going to start at the curve or the brow bone, and then make sure that it's clean. And then I'm just going to bring it towards the beginning as well. So this is the part where you try to make sure that the other eyebrow that you're working on looks like the other one that you worked on. So they have to look almost the same, but they have to look something similar. So you have to try by all means to check and see if they are almost the same. So with mine, I think the brow bone is fine. I just need to work on this part only. I feel like bringing it towards the nose bone helps to see if they're in the right direction. And then just blend everything into your eyelids. Okay. Make sure that there are no fine lines. So just properly blend everything together. So this is how the eyebrow looks. I'm just going to blend a little bit more here. I'm just going to set. So I'm just going to make sure that I'm going to take my spoolie and make sure that my eyebrow hairs are intact. So even if you touch them, you can literally feel that your eyebrow hairs are secure. So this is the advantage of using soap, guys. It dries and keeps your eyebrow hairs in place. I used hair gel before, it worked, but then I realized that the kind of hair gel that I was using kept my eyebrows oily during the day. So I skipped, and then I started using olive oil mousse, the hair wrap, the mousse. That's what I was using. I don't have it right now. I could show you, but I started using that. That helped. It kept my eyebrow hairs in place. So that was much more easier for me to do a natural eyebrow with the hair wrap, the mousse, with the wrap, the mousse. It was the olive oil one, so it kept my eyebrow hairs in place, and that made my life so much easier. It's only until I discovered the soap trick, guys. This trick is the one, I'm telling you. For a natural eyebrow, for a bushy eyebrow like this one, I'm telling you, it's the one. So if you're interested in trying it, please go and try it. I'm telling you, I kid you not, it's the one. So you can try it, and then you can also just give me feedback in the comment section if it worked for you, what you thought about it, if you did it right, if there's anything that you did wrong. I can respond to you in the comment section. I love chatting with you guys in the comments. So this is basically the eyebrow. You really don't have to do the top part of your eyebrow. You can if you want to. I would recommend you use your foundation, because it'll be easier to blend outside. But on a normal day like this, you can just leave the top part and do the rest of your foundation. Just don't temper around with the eyebrow, because you just might mess it up. So It's easy like this. So this is how the eyebrow looks like, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you learned something from it, let me know in the comment section. If you try it, let me know in the comment section what you think about it and if it worked out for you. And yeah, guys, please don't forget to subscribe, click on the like button, also share so that our family grows. And I will see you until next time in my next video. Bye.